Brent Barnhart with Cuefeed. I'm going to show you how to change your belts, add a belt, remove a belt. It's very easy. Loosen your support, get it out of your way. Take your side frames off. If she zooms in right here, come forward, you can see where the shaft is in a yoke. Just pull back on the shaft and release it like this. That comes out. All right, you can move back now. Take the back, you got to take the back electrical part off. 4 screws. This is your, this is all the electronics, okay? Won't hurt anything. Just go ahead and make sure you unplug it first. Your machine comes with this nice little handy wrench. All right, then the back comes off. And then you have a few plugs in here. Just plug them. And then this comes off. I'll set that over here. And then if she wants to look in here, this here's your tensioner for your motor, okay? So I'm going to loosen that. Now the motor's loose. And then there's 3 bolts that hold the motor down. Loosen that one. I'm not going to take it out. I'm just going to loosen it. I'm going to loosen this one. You can look down in here. You can see the screws here. I'm loosening those. Push the motor forward, okay? And then right here, unhook the drive belt there. Just unloop it so it's loose, okay? And then over here on this side, take out this middle shaft lock here. And then you gotta take them both out. I'm sorry. Okay. Both of them are out. Then just reach in here and slide your shafts out like this. Okay? If she puts the camera down in here, you can see here's the belts. Okay? So I'm going to put the belts back on. 1, 2, 3. 3 belts are back on. If you have to change your drive belt, it's the same thing. You're just gonna slide this shaft out the end here this way so that can slide out. Put the new one in, slide the shaft back in. Then when you're done, slide that back in. That goes under. Okay, that's done. Then you want to put your sides back in. Your shaft locks. Sometimes I have shaft collars on the inside instead of these, but most machines have these, and I've gone back to these. I like these better. People try to tighten up the shaft collars too tight, and the machine won't run. This way, nobody can mess it up. Okay, that's done. Now the shafts are in. All right, then back in here, this belt here has to go under this little, under this side pulley. Okay, that's done. Then pull the motor back like this. Once the motor's back, put this screw in the hole here, tighten it up. Turn this a couple turns, then reach in here and feel this belt. It does not need to be super, super tight. It needs to be snug, but it doesn't have to be horribly tight. That's good enough. When I'm done with that, put my wrench in here. I'm going to tighten and lock the motor down. Okay, that's done. Then inside the top here, I get over here, it's dark. It's dark over here. Let's get over here under the light. There we go. So we'll tighten this up. Tighten this up. That's done. Grab your shaft. Now, to move your belt positions, you just move these O-rings around. You do not have to have 3 O-rings on every belt. However, when I ship it, you'll have 3. 1 will probably do, but you have 3. That way, if you got another belt for it, you know, you could put 2 under it and have 4 belts if you want. But there you go. There's 3. Okay, kind of center them up. I want my belts like that. Alright, slide my belts over. Slide my shaft in. Put the belts right over the O-rings like this. Pull the shaft back. I hook it on one side. Then I pull the back, other side over like that. Okay? And they don't have to be on the O-rings, but it's always helpful if they're on the O-rings, and I'll show you why in a minute. They're all crooked, right? Don't worry about it. Not a big deal. Alright, so we're going to put our electronics back in it. We're going to plug our motor in here, like this. We're going to plug in our photo eye. Most machines do not have this. This is a vibrator for special attachments. You can plug that in. That's ready to go. Just tuck our cords in. Screw our bolts back on. Handy dandy little tool that comes with the machine. Don't have to be super tight. Just screw that in so it's snug. Okay, it's ready to go. Grab your bridge with your side guides on it. Put it in the slot. Okay, and if she puts the camera here, I'm going to take this back off. Look at the belts. All right. Power's on. I'm going to hit the inch button, and you'll see they straighten right up on here, and they'll follow and stay right on those O-rings. Put your side guides back on. And grab your rear tail piece, slide it back on. That's how you change out the belts. What's the time on the video, hon?
9.
9 minutes. Thank you to my Japanese wife and handy assistant. So if you have to completely change the belts, it takes less than 10 minutes. Of course, I hurried through it. It might take you 15, but it's not hard. Brent Barnhart with Cuefeed. Thanks.